Hello there! Thank you for tuning in. You've probably heard that we live in a global economy. You know how we can use an American brand phone made in multiple Asian companies, wear shirts produced in Bangladesh, drink Brazilian coffee, and buy and sell British stocks. IPE, or International Political Economy, is a way to understand this phenomenon. So, what is it exactly? Well, IPE studies how politics shape development in the global economy and how the global economy in turn shapes politics. It focuses on the political battle between the winners and losers from global economic exchange and how they also shape the economic policies that governments adopt. In IPE, the global economy is broken into 4 areas. First, we have the international trade system, then the international monetary system, and then multinational corporations, lastly, economic development. These 4 areas are interconnected, which means while they are distinct from each other, they also affect each other in practice. And now, the most important part in IPE studies, the theories. We use IPE theories to analyze and try to understand how things work in the global economy. There are 3 major theories in IPE: mercantilism, liberalism, and Marxism. Mercantilism focuses on states as the main actor in the global economy. The main assumption here is that national wealth equals national power. So, the richer a state is, the more powerful it is. Trade is used to gain more wealth from overseas. Exports are encouraged, while imports should be kept to a minimum. Some economic activities are also seen as more valuable if they can generate more money in exports. For example, manufacturing high-tech gadgets. Next is liberalism. Here, the main actor is individuals like us. So, economic activities are used to enrich individuals, not to enhance state's power. Everybody benefits from trade, especially free trade. Exports and imports are equally important here. Likewise, all economic activities are equally valuable, as they enrich individuals and fulfill individuals' demands in multiple ways. Now, Marxism is a whole different story. It has its focus on socioeconomic classes. Here, the global economy is thought to be run by the capitalists, and at the expense of the proletariat. The capitalists become richer while the proletariat become poorer. The global economy and the economic activities within are exploitative and unfair to the working classes. This view is a critic to capitalism, which is said is going to end in the working class revolution. So, here's a little chart for you to understand the theories a little better. If you have been listening until now, congratulations! You now know the foundation of IPE. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day!